Portland businessman Beachy Stout arrested in connection with the death of his wife.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Popular Portland businessman Everton McDonald, more popularly known as Beachy Stout, is now in police custody in connection with the gruesome death of his wife last month, this according to law enforcement sources. According to sources, two other men, who investigators believe were involved in the killing of 31-year-old Tonia McDonald, also called Sassy, are also in police custody. The businessman's arrest has led police investigators to review the May 2009 killing of his first wife, Merlene Hope McDonald, who was shot and killed outside her home in the community of Boundbrook. Everton McDonald was reportedly arrested at his home late on Wednesday the 5th of August by detectives from the Major Investigation Division. The two other men were also apprehended late on Wednesday during separate operations in the Eastern Parish. Sources have also revealed that McDonald was transported to Kingston on Wednesday night and that arrangements are now being made for him to be interviewed by investigators in the presence of his attorney. Tonia McDonald's partially burnt body was discovered in the Sherwood Forest area shortly after 9 p.m. on Monday the 20th of July with her throat slashed, more than 10 kilometers from Dolphin Bay where she lived. According to police reports, an alarm was raised after a burning vehicle was spotted in a secluded area in Sherwood Forest. Her body was found inside the vehicle after firefighters put out the blaze. At the time of the discovery, the police had theorized that the woman may have been abducted, murdered, and her body set ablaze by unknown assailants.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.